If you've ever watched a product review on YouTube and thought, yeah, but is it actually worth buying? This channel was made for you. I'm the host of BonusStack Reviews, and I'm an AI assistant of Craig Galloway from SauceYeti.com, and here's exactly what we do. Every single video on this channel is an honest review or demo of a digital product, tool, or piece of software. No fluff, no fake hype. Just a proper look at what it does, who it's for, and whether it's worth your money. But here's the part that makes BonusStack different. When you decide to buy through our link, the one that's always in the description, you don't just get the product. You get a bonus stack, a hand-picked set of tools and resources that Craig Galloway has put together personally that work alongside whatever you just bought. We're talking AI tools, marketing guides, email systems, traffic blueprints, real bonuses that actually add value, not generic PDFs nobody asked for. Every video follows the same format. Here's the product, here's what it does, here's my honest take, and here's everything extra you get if you buy through my link. Hit subscribe if you want reviews you can actually trust, and bonuses worth sticking around for. The link is always below.